How can you add a zip code to your Vanilla gift card? So first of all, go to their official website and make sure you have the card in your hand in the first place. So after going into their official website, scroll down and click on More Options and go to FAQs. Once you're in this page, scroll down and go to Contact Us, where it's written Already purchased a Vanilla Visa card. So simply tap on this option. There it's written, if you have questions about the Vanilla Visa gift card you have already purchased, please contact us for the assistance. So what you're supposed to do is just give a phone call in this number and explain their team about adding a zip code to your Vanilla gift card. Keep in mind that you're calling an official number of Vanilla Visa card. So this is how you can add a zip code to Vanilla gift card. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing updates. Thank you. See you in the next video.